Hello everybody, PixelGFX here with another tutorial on Android, and in this tutorial I'm gonna be teaching you how to give a glitch effect on a photo just like this one on Android. So now let's get started. Open Play Store.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a